Alright, you be careful. Oh. Nice.
That one. I think, is that one?
No, no, don't.
Jump back over there. We're gonna jump that.
Let's not.
You can't. There's got a big post there.
So should I go?
No, you just shouldn't try. You should get off. No.
Shall we help you get down?
Yes, Cat.
There's no way, Tommy.
Just jump down.
No.
2 steps.
Don't, Tommy.
I have to.
Why? I can help you get down.
You're gonna get hurt.
I don't care if I get hurt.
Well, I do.
Jumping.
What if you break your leg? You can't go to the rodeo.
How much feet is this? 2.
A lot. It's
4
not so much the feet. It's